You can just swipe through various tabs on Google Chrome. You can have instant one-click navigation, ask Google Assistant to identify a song for you, and measure distance using Google Maps. And guys, just like that, there are a lot of these lesser known things about Android that I want to share with you in this video. But before we move on, I'm trying to reach 200,000 subscribers. It'll be great if you could drop a like on the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon. It'll really help me move closer to my goal. If you're facing cell reception issues, especially when you're having a voice call, try this. Go into your connections, go into mobile network, and then downgrade your connectivity from LTE to either 3G or to 2G. You will experience a boost in signal strength and your calls would not drop. This is especially great when you're commuting and you're on the call all the time and you do not want your call to drop. Just downgrade for that period and you'll experience a more consistent network and you'll be able to talk for a longer time. If you want to just shuffle between your tabs that are open on Chrome, you can do so by just swiping left or right on the top address bar. And you can just pull down from the top of the address bar to quickly preview all the open tabs that you have. Next, here's how I take a screenshot. A simple swipe and that's it. Or if you use navigation buttons, then a long press on the home key can do the trick. All you need is this one small app called Screenshot Assistant, and it just configures your long press of home and a long swipe from the center to take a screenshot. And now let me talk about a couple of interesting tricks around Google Maps. For example, you can have instant navigation widgets. For example, you set directions to, let's say, work, and you can then add that route to your home screen. The next time you want to head to that direction, just click on the widget. It will open up with directions and traffic. It's really quick, it's really easy, and now you don't have to feed in your Google Maps all the time. Or let's say you're planning a long road trip and you're afraid of losing battery or internet and then you might lose your way. Well, feed the directions and then hit the profile icon and then click on offline maps. Say select your own map and then it will give you the option to download the route that you just set. And that way you can look for directions whether you have internet or not. And that way you can turn off your data and save battery as well. By the way, you can zoom in and zoom out on Google Maps with just one hand. All you have to do is double tap on the screen and then swipe up or swipe down to zoom in and out. So it's really simple. And by the way, Google Maps has an inbuilt feature to remember your parking spot. So let's say you stop somewhere, tap on that blue dot, which is you, and then it'll give you the option to save parking location. You can also have parking notes and you can enter a time limit. So in case you're on a metered parking, you'll know when to go back. And last on the maps is you can manually measure distance between 2, 3 or multiple points. Long press, drop a pin, click on measure distance and then start dragging in whatever direction to whatever length you want. And you will get a real-time update of kilometers or miles that you're covering with that. Okay, let's say you're on Chrome and you have a couple of web pages that are open and you want to offline them because you want to read them later. There's a way for that. Hit the menu icon, then go into Share, and then look for the option called Print. When you click on that, you'll get an option to save as PDF. Just do that and it'll save a copy of that page as a PDF file somewhere on your phone. Of course, you can decide where. Now let's say there's some music playing in the background and you want to know which song it is. You don't need Shazam or any app for it. There's Google Assistant built right into your phone. Tap on the mic icon. It'll give you the option to identify the music that's playing in the background. Just hit that button, it'll listen for a while, and then it'll tell you exactly which song it is playing. A very underrated and an underused feature is the ability to pin an app onto your screen. For example, you're reading an article and you want to share it with your friend, but you're a little anxious. You're like, what if he goes through my gallery or through my WhatsApp conversations? Well, you can pin the app so they cannot go out of that app no matter what, unless they know the password or the PIN to your smartphone. Now you may have to activate this feature on your phone, so the best way to do that is to go into Settings, click Search, and then search for PIN Windows. And if you find it, just turn it on. You're pretty much set then. And that's it. Those were some of the Android tricks I wanted to share with you guys. If you've got any recommendations or your own Android tricks, feel free to share with me in the comment section below. As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one.